Okay. Hello students, well Ashwin sir is back. Kids, we have been doing adjectives. So let us try and remember what is it that we have done so far. Okay, so we've done adjectives or descriptive adjectives, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, and we've also done possessive adjectives. So just to remember, just for you to remember what is it that we've done, we've got a few example sentences. I've written a few example sentences for you on the board. So what is an adjective, kids? An adjective is a word that describes nouns and pronouns, or that gives us more information about nouns and pronouns. So if you look at the first sentence, Aditya is hardworking. This word hardworking is an adjective that gives us more information about the proper noun, Aditya. So what kind of a boy is Aditya? Aditya is a hardworking boy. This is an adjective of quality or a descriptive adjective. If you look at the second sentence now, he was careless and wrote wrong answers. Okay, so careless out here is an adjective that is giving us more information about the pronoun he. This is a pronoun. Okay, and wrote wrong answers. Answers is a noun again. What kind of answers did he write? He wrote wrong answers. Again, this is an adjective, a descriptive adjective. Now, if you look at the third sentence, this is my car. Now, car is a noun, kids. Okay, and my is what kind of adjective? It is a possessive adjective. So this possessive adjective has been used to show what? That the car belongs to you. Or let's say if I say this is my car, I've used the possessive adjective my to show that the car belongs to me. So remember that. There are 5 students in the class. So students is a noun. And 5 is what? An adjective of number. How many students are there in the class? There are 5 students in the class. And look at the 5th sentence. There is some milk in the jar. So milk is a noun. It's an uncountable noun. You cannot count milk. And there is some milk in the jar. Some becomes an adjective. What kind of adjective is it, kids? It's an adjective of quantity. Remember that, okay? Fine. So today what we will do, kids, is I'll remove this from the board. What we will do is we will do the order of adjectives. So now what exactly do you mean by order of adjectives? When you use more than one adjective, or when you use 2 or 3 adjectives in order to describe a noun or a pronoun, those adjectives have to be placed in a particular order. Okay, so I will write it for you on the board, and then I will write example sentences for you to understand better. So, when two or more adjectives are used to describe a noun or a pronoun, to describe a noun, they are placed in a particular order. Full stop. So now what is the order? Well, since you are in class 4, I will not do everything with you. I'll just do a part of it. Okay, fine. So let's say the order is, first you have size, followed by age, followed by shape, followed by color, followed by origin. Okay, so what I will do, kids, is I will remove this from the board in order to make things simpler. Okay, so I will just remove this from the board because we need space. Okay, so the order is size, followed by age, followed by shape, followed by color, followed by origin. Okay, now this is the order that I'm teaching you: size, age and shape. In some books, if you refer to other books, then some teachers might tell you that the order is size, shape and size, shape and then age. Okay, this order too is correct. There's nothing wrong with that, but let's follow the order that I have written on the board. So please don't get confused. You stick to this particular order. Okay, so by size, what do I mean? Or what do we mean, kids? Okay, size like large, let's say huge, let's say big, small. All these adjectives refer to size. Okay, what about age? Let's say old, new, let's say young. Let's keep it at this. What about shape? What are the different kinds of shapes? Rectangular, oval, circular, square. All these are shapes. So let's say square. I hope you know the shape of a square. Okay, then let's say rectangular. Rectangular this is the shape of rectangle, anything rectangular. Okay, let's say oval. The shape of an egg has an oval shape. Okay, fine, let's keep it at this. Color, again, very, very simple, kids. Let's say white, black, pink, yellow, and origin. I'll write words for you on the board. Indian means the noun that you're describing, that particular noun comes from India. Okay. So the source of the noun, that is what you mean by origin. So Indian, it can be American. Okay. So let's say Rajasthani, or let's say Russian, means that thing has come from the country of Russia. Or that thing is from where? From India. That noun is from where? Or has been made where? Is made in America. This is the sources in Rajasthan. The sources in the country of Russia. Okay, these are all can be used as, these words are called proper adjectives because we made these adjectives from proper nouns. So this word has been made from the noun, proper noun India. This word is made from the proper noun America. This word has been made from the proper noun Rajasthan. And this noun has been Russian, has been made from the proper noun Russia. Okay, that's why we refer to them as proper adjectives as well. Little bit of extra information. Fine. So let's make sentences. Okay, and we have to make sentences in such a way wherein we follow this particular order, kids. Okay, fine. So let's say first sentence, I saw a, let's take the adjective of size, big. These are all descriptive adjectives, remember that. Okay, I saw a big, so I have taken an adjective of size, let's say a big. Let's say, then I'll take an adjective of color, big, white, cow in the field, full stop. Okay, so I have followed the order. So big is an adjective of what? Adjective of size, and white is an adjective of color. Let's look at another sentence now. Let's say this, let's take the adjective of size, this small, comma. Okay, be careful of your commas as well. This small, let's say square, we'll take an adjective of shape now. This small square. Let's take an adjective of color. Let's take the adjective of color yellow. Okay, so this small square yellow. Let's take an adjective of origin as well, American. So this small square yellow, American. Eraser. Eraser is a noun. So this small square yellow American eraser is good, full stop. And what is good, kids? Good is again another adjective. Okay, fine. So what is small? Adjective of size. Square is adjective of shape. Yellow is adjective of color. And American is an adjective of origin. Okay, fine. Now let's look at another sentence, the third sentence. So let's say the clown. The clown is a joker. Okay, if you've been to a circus, you can see clowns perform in circuses as well. Okay, so the clown is wearing, let's say, we'll take the adjective of size, a large, let's say. Then what can we take? Let's say a large, let's take an adjective of color, large, pink, let's say, and let's take an adjective of origin, Rajasthani dress. Now what is dress, kids? Dress is a noun. Okay. So look at the way I've placed the commas. Okay, after the first adjective I've placed the comma, the second adjective I've placed the comma, but the adjective that comes right before the noun, there is no comma here. Please don't place or use a comma here. Likewise, there is no comma out here. Okay, fine. I'm sure you have understood. So the clown is wearing a large. Large is again an adjective of size. Pink is an adjective of color. Rajasthani is an adjective of origin. Okay? Now I will write the last sentence for you on the board. Okay? Okay, fine. So the fourth sentence. Okay, let's say he liked that. Okay, fine. So let's take an adjective of age. Okay, he liked that. New. Let's take an adjective of shape then. Oval. Let's take an adjective of color. Black. Okay, now let's use a noun. Table. Full stop. Okay, fine. So if you look at this sentence now, okay, so new is what, kids? New is an adjective of age. Okay, adjective of age followed by an adjective of shape, oval, shape of an egg. Okay. And black is what? Black is an adjective of color. And what is table, kids? Table is a noun. Okay, and look at the placement of how is it that Ashwin sir has used the commas. After the first adjective, I've placed the comma. After the second adjective, again I've used another comma. But after the, but before the noun, I have not placed a comma here. Okay, so after the last adjective that you use to describe the noun, please don't use the comma. Okay, and that is it for now, kids. And I will see you in the next class. Bye-bye.